Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to completely remove and completely uninstall your Finances plugin. There are 3 steps that you have to follow. Before starting, you have to open your terminal or command line with Ctrl, Alt and T. I'm going to zoom it a little bit for you so it will be easier to see it. Okay, so now you have to change to the core Redmine folder, which in my case is Redmine 5. And here the very first step that you have to execute is to downgrade your database for the Finances plugin. So it is done with the following command. It is bundle exec Redmine plugins name, and here on the name you have to set the correct name of the plugin you are trying to uninstall, which in our case is Redmine Finances. Okay, so we continue with version 0 Railsaf production. Okay, so our downgrading is now in progress and it has just finished now. Okay, the second step that we have to do is to just remove the plugins folder itself. So as being into the core Redmine folder, we execute command remove forcibly and recursively the Redmine Finances. Okay, and the very last step that we have to do is to just touch temporary restart point.txt, so it is going to restart your Redmine. So the changes that we have just done are going to be applied. Let's go back to our Redmine and check what is the behavior there. So we'll refresh the page and we will see if the Finances plugin is going to disappear. Okay, it is now gone. So we have done our job successfully. We have removed the Finances plugin from the Redmine with the steps that I have just showed you. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check some other videos and articles from our documentation. So thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye for now.